This is Arabic Easy for All A1 Arabic courses. Lesson 40, the verb to want in the interrogative form. In order to ask a question in the English language, we always use to do. In Arabic, we use the formula هل. We saw before with the verb to be and to have. It is the same formula we use always and forever with all verbs when we want to ask a question. هل تريد زايا قهوة؟ هل يريد أحمد حذاء جديدا؟ هل يريدان بطاقات بريدية؟ هل تريد السفر؟ هل يردن أجورهن؟ In A1 lesson 40, we learned about the verb to want in the interrogative form. In lesson 41, we will, inshallah, learn about yes and no answers with the verb to want. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.